Hey guys, just their friendly reminder here. There is an alien blaster rifle that you can get. I'm about to go there right now and get the alien blaster rifle. So you just go back to the crash site as soon as you get the alien blaster, and if the alien spawns, kill him. And there should be an alien rifle there, or the parts, so let's go there and check. Alright, here we go. And then I have my Deathclaw with me. We're gonna go check. We'll go straight to the crash site. Alright, here's the crash site right here. See the green goose? We go up here. Here's some more. Here's some more. Over here. Going into the cave. And you shouldn't try to get this gun unless if you're like level 50 on up, because it won't spawn. So there's no alien in here, so I've already killed him. But look! Hey, what do you call this? Sighted alien assault rifle. Grab this shit. And that's what it looks like.